In this video, I am going to show you how to earn $10 every hour doing micro jobs, simple social media tasks, survey and offers and more. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks and more. Now click on Sign Up button to begin. Fill in your information. Enter your full name. Enter your email. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Enter your nickname. Select your country. Select your profile type and checked on I am a worker. Agree to SproutGig's terms of service and privacy. Now click on Sign Up button to create account. Now log into your account with your email and password. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into your account. The name of the website is called sproutgigs.com. Your spendable earn balance located at the top here. Now I'm going to show easy and fast way to make $10 per hour doing multiple different micro jobs and surveys. To start making money right away, click on Micro Jobs tab in the drop-down, click on Find Jobs. There are over 1,000 micro jobs for you and up to $5 per available job. And the more time you spend doing tasks, the more money you would make. You can decide to search or select the type of social media micro jobs to do by clicking on category and select tasks that suit you. You can now complete task and earn money in return. Want to even earn more? Click on Surveys and Offers tab. Surveys and Offers. Complete offers and surveys from the best providers and get rewarded on your SproutGigs account. You can earn up to $20 doing surveys, downloading apps, playing games, signing up an account, watching promotional videos and lots more. There are a lot of available surveys and offers to do and earn more money to your balance. And you take advantage of offer wall available providers to make more money as you complete a survey and offers. With the ranges of multiple withdrawal payments options, SproutGigs supported credit and debit card, bank transfer, cryptocurrencies. You can withdraw your earnings anytime you want to your account. Make sure you like this video to help others to see it. If you have any further questions, hit the comments below. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.